Ever wondered if you could just quit your job and live off $500,000 in the bank? Here's the truth, you actually can, under the right conditions. My name is Pete, and I spend way too much time thinking about how to make money work for you instead of you working for money. If you're dreaming of ditching the grind, hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if it helps. Here's the math. The 4% rule says, if you live on 4% of your invested money each year, you may never run out. So 4% of $500,000 is $20,000 a year, or about $1,066 a month. Can you live on that? Maybe not in NYC or LA, but in low-cost places or abroad, absolutely. This is called Geoarbitrage. Want to be safer? Add part-time work, freelance, or a side hustle to reduce your withdrawal rate. Even $1,000 a month helps a lot. Remember, money doesn't buy freedom. Systems and habits do. You've got this.